With this new plugin, you can now make more money from TikTok gifts by letting your viewers control your GTA 5 game. This is completely free, so let's go through the setup steps now. You can find this linked in the description. Firstly, as it says, we'll make sure GTA 5 is closed, and then we'll head to the release page here and download this zip folder. Once downloaded, just make sure you extract all of the files. Next, open yourself another file explorer. I'm just going to right click my file explorer and click on file explorer again, and I'm going to put them side by side. And I'm going to find the base folder of my GTA 5 installation. If you've installed it through Steam, you actually just have to right click it. So I right clicked it, I went on properties, and you just click browse, and this will open the base folder. So once again, I'm just going to put them side by side with this folder here. And what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to delete this zip folder and then just highlight everything, Control C to copy, and just click anywhere into this section here and Control V to paste. Now, for whatever reason, my antivirus has removed one of these files. So if yours does too, make sure you restore it. All of this code has been thoroughly checked by the TikFinity developer. And of course, since it's on GitHub, you could test it yourself if you want. Now, as it says, restart GTA 5 and start playing in offline or story mode. So let's do that now. So I am now in GTA 5 story mode. So if I just tab out of it back onto our GitHub page, as it says, I can click this link here and it will confirm whether or not it's working. Luckily for me, the plugin and integration is working. If you've got this far, I'm sure you're finding this useful. So if you want even more useful tips on growing and monetizing your TikTok live streams, then check out my free weekly newsletter, which is linked in the description. So how can viewers send gifts to control your game? Well, let's set up that aspect now. And to do that, we need TikFinity, which is linked in the description. You can either just use the TikFinity website, or TikFinity recommends the desktop app. It's just more stable. Anyway, make an account or log in on the setup page. And then to link the gifts with in-game actions, we head to the actions and events page. So let's just copy the simplest one, the top one from the GitHub page. Let's just kill the player. And let's decide to do that for a sunglasses gift. So I'm going to head back to TikFinity and click create new action. I'm just going to name it kill player. And I'm going to scroll down and tick trigger webhooks and just paste it into the box. Now theoretically, you could just scroll down and hit save and you're done. But if you're a PC streamer like me, if you have a stream key or use Live Studio, let's put some information on the screen and we'll use text to speech. So firstly, I'm going to click show alert. This is going to show their profile picture and their username. Then let's put how many gifts they've sent. So that's repeat count. I'll just copy and paste it, and what gift they've sent. So I'll put that as well. And of course, I have to put the word sent. So it's going to be username sent 1 sunglasses. And then of course, I'm going to put and killed the player, something like that. Of course, play around with the text settings and the color here. Now let's copy and paste everything in this box. I'm going to click read TTS and just paste it in. Then I'm going to copy and paste this username parameter, head to the start and paste that in as well. Let's hit test to see what it sounds like.
Username sent repeat count gift name and killed the player.
Sounds good to me. Now we're going to have text on the screen and TTS reading out what's happened. So now I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to set the duration to about 5 seconds. On this one, I'm not going to tick repeat with gift combos. But if it's something that can happen repeatedly, like adding money, then you definitely should tick this. And on the bottom of the action, I'm going to click this text to copy it. If you've already added screen 1 to Live Studio or OBS, you won't have this text. Now I'm going to press save. And before we forget, let's add this screen as a link source to Live Studio. Just press add source, click on the link option and just paste it in. Make sure sound's enabled and press add source. If you can't see where it's gone, just click on it, resize it, place it where you want. I'll place it middle top of my screen. If you're using OBS, just add that as a browser source, same process, but we're not quite finished. We need to link it to the sunglasses. So create new event, and it's sending a specific gift. And of course, the chosen gift is sunglasses. You can type it in or choose it from the list. And the action that we're triggering is simply the kill player action. And we just hit save. Now it's time to test that everything is working. So I'm going to go to the bottom of this page and check out the event simulator, which lets me simulate any gift, follows, subs, etc. So I'm going to type in sunglasses. And when I hit simulate gift, I'm first going to check live studio. That's so I can confirm that the text is appearing on the screen. Then of course, we'll check GTA to make sure we're dead. So let's do that now.
Test user sent, repeat count, sunglasses and killed the player.
And as you just saw, TTS worked, the text worked, and I failed the mission. And that is the basics of this GTA 5 TikFinity plugin. As with most things on TikFinity, your imagination is the limit. Just check out the huge list of commands on the GitHub page. Don't forget to check repeat with gift combos if it's something that can happen rapidly. Don't forget, if you want more tips on growing and monetizing your live stream, then you can sign up for my free newsletter here. Thank you to the channel members for their ongoing support. Subscribe if you found this useful, and thanks for watching.